College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Blair County in central Pennsylvania, southern Centre County in central Pennsylvania, north central Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania until 3 p.m. At 1:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stormstown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include State College, Bellefonte, Park Forest Village, Woodward, Bollesburg, Pleasant Gap, Stormstown, Lamont, Bald Eagle, Zion, Hauserville, and Warriors Mark. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Milesburg and Lamar exits, specifically for mile markers 159 to 166. This includes Interstate 99 for mile markers 50 to 85. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties: Blair, Centre, and Huntingdon.